Hello and welcome to you on learning MATLAB from scratch. Okay, in this lecture we are going to talk a little bit about complex numbers. And to be very clear, in this lecture we will just talk about basic operations in complex numbers. So let's move to MATLAB. Uh, I remember that in one of our lectures about trigonometric functions, we encountered some I value. So 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 we are a little bit familiar with it. Okay, so just type if let's clear all the variables. I see this is I and J also are reserved for imaginary number, so you cannot use them in your programming. Just to let you make sure of that. Uh, if we have typed I, so we basically have two parts: the real part, which is 0, and the imaginary part, which is I, or radical of -1. Okay, so if I typed 3 multiplied by I get this answer. If I type 3I, I also get the same answer. So you don't have to type the asterisk for multiplication. You just type it just like this and MATLAB will understand it. So if we want to multiply two complex numbers, 3I multiplied by 2I, the value is -6. Radical -1 multiplied by radical -1 is -1. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, and this is why it is -6. I guess you all know that. So let's make clear the screen. We can also make things like this or even more, and just to plus I, and here is the answer. 334, and that's 74. We can also subtract it. So we can really do anything we want. So maybe multiply them, this multiplied by this, multiplied by this multiplied by this, multiplied by this, all added together, and it will give you this answer. So if I say 1 minus I multiplied by 1 plus I, we all know what is the value. So here it is, which is typically like this. Not quite like that. Okay, it is definitely not like it, because here we are in this case we are doing this 1 minus I multiplied by 1 minus I. So this is this. So let me clear the screen. Okay. MATLAB can do much of things. Where is the I? Let B is equal to this number plus this number. Just to tell you don't have, you may type it the imaginary part first and then the real part is not different at all. So a plus b, a minus b, a multiplied by b, a divided by b. So the whole arithmetic operations are here. MATLAB can handle all this for you. So I guess this is quite good enough for a basic introduction to complex numbers. So be good.